How to Make Stress Your Friend, inspired by McGonigal's TED Talk. Watch this doodle to learn how to make stress your friend, inspired by McGonigal's TED Talk. I hope you enjoy. Stress. It's the villain we've been taught to fear, blamed for everything from headaches to heart disease. But what if stress isn't the enemy? What if, instead, it's your body's secret weapon for courage and connection? Let's explore how to transform stress into your greatest ally. McGonigal, a health psychologist, spent years warning people about the dangers of stress. Then a groundbreaking study changed everything. It showed that the belief that stress is harmful, more than stress itself, can increase the risk of dying. This revelation flipped her perspective, and today, it could transform yours. Here's the science. When you experience stress, your body reacts. Your heart pounds, your breathing quickens, and you might break a sweat. Normally, we see these as signs of anxiety. But what if we viewed them as signs of energy and readiness? Research shows that rethinking stress as helpful can lower anxiety and even change your body's physical response. Instead of tightening, your blood vessels stay relaxed, like in moments of joy. Imagine you're about to give a big speech. Your heart races and your palms sweat. You tell yourself, "This is my body preparing to succeed." By embracing stress, you feel confident instead of overwhelmed. Or think about oxytocin, the so-called cuddle hormone. It's released during stress, encouraging you to connect with others for support, strengthening both relationships and your heart. Reframe stress. See it as your body's way of helping you rise to a challenge. Connect with others. Share your feelings and support those around you. 3. Chase meaning. Pursue goals that bring purpose, even if they involve stress. Embrace growth. Recognize that stress often accompanies courage and resilience. Picture your stress response as a coach on the sidelines, cheering you on during life's biggest challenges. Instead of fighting stress, lean into it. Your body will thank you. The next time you feel stressed, pause and tell yourself, "This is my body rising to the occasion." Share your experience in the comments, and let's redefine stress together. Doodles of content you already love. If you like this video, like it, drop your comment,